Yeah. The big giraffe. Whoa. Now, Grandma.
Let's go.
Your leg. Well,
that really is what matters here.
He's 13. So 14 years old. So
let's go back this way because it looks like there was something on this side.
But he's a lawyer. Then it was okay.
Can we go this way?
Probably not. We'll just say hi to him right now. Last one.
Literally.
Oh. Thanks, Simon.
The white one when I was a kid.
Parker brother.
Yeah, he just gives
Tony,
it.
what? The game.
Oh.
The main objective.
Anyways.
Yeah, she got her first government check. She got a check, a paper check, because she didn't read all the
This way.
I'm gonna take a picture. There's tarantulas and other stuff.
Tarantulas?
Oh.
Wow.
You got the
Oh, nice,
wingspan of
Russell.
a 4
Sam, did you take his picture?
red-tailed hawk.
Oh, red-tailed hawk? 4 foot.
Russell, do not smile. No.
Stretch your dance. Stretch.
And do not smile.
He's got a lame wing.
Okay. Let's go.
I got there.
Holy brother bear.
Nope. Maybe he's in there.
Over here, boys. For playing. Yeah. What do you think the bear's gonna do, or does he just want to play? The den?
Yeah.
See that white door there? I think that's where they get to have their den. There is a little that dark spot right there. That might be a den. Whoa! Here he comes running!
What is he gonna do? What color is he though?
I don't know.
And then you want me to bond there?
Yeah, I want you to go.
Then I want to take a picture of Gwen, but not yet go.
All by yourself? What do you want in that picture?
Interactions are rare and typically short.
This little scratch thing?
Black rounds are commonly seen
Right
together
there.
during mating season.
Yeah, this red stuff.
Oh,
Is it
yeah,
scratchy?
that's like a scratch thing. Hey, Dad, I should go in the water. Dad!
Hey!
Hold on, we're gonna go right over here.
During mating
Can you hear me better? Everett! Come in, there's another way. Thank you, Etta.
He's looking out. Guard cat.
Mom, look at the one finished. Oh, prairie cats.
Or prairie dogs.
Prairie dogs. Oh my goodness.
If you want to take one city.
They might have knocked it down.
I don't recall.
I just remember I pointed it out one time and you said, Katie, that's inappropriate.
That was probably exactly what I said.
Exactly.
That's
Wait again.
Hello.
Candy, can you take a picture of this one right here? What did you have?
Stay up, really. Not really.
Look how it's eating. It almost has to like put its legs off to the side. And Mackenzie, what kind of color is
Are you tired?
it?
Back to the hotel.
Everett!
You're on a chicken.
Who's on a chicken? Cute.
Holy moly, that sucker's going fast.
Mackenzie's way too cool with her glasses on. I like that gorilla. Russell!
Can you wave? Oh, do you know what the scientific name for a red kangaroo is? Macropus rufus.
Oh, that one's big.
Why did I put my mom in the cave?
Look at those big shrimp.
Look at him. He's trying to get the other one to come out. Dad, look at him going back in. Dad, look at him. He's going down.
Look at that one, Charlotte.
What? Mama.
See him?
Yes. Why?
Go ahead.
Go ahead.
Here, go over here. Hey, I can take any pictures that we have to come together, please. Julieta, can you come over here? Russell, can you come over
They're trying to be on each animal.
right on the edge? Okay, right here. Stand between these two birds. There you go.
There.
Move over a little.
Now, do not smile.
Yeah.
You
Mackenzie?
cannot smile, Simon.
Mackenzie?
Simon, no smiling. You have to